what's up everybody? This is Mari on Unique FX, here to show you some makeup, as you can see.
We are the cats from the Wonderland.
We're the Cheshire Cats.
There you go.
From Alice in Wonderland. So she's going to put together a little walkthrough of what she used. And I'm out here to give a shout out to Unique FX Makeup. She'll be in the description. And also if you check out here, you can subscribe to her channel. So I'm just going to, let her get through the thing.
Hi you guys. So these right here, I actually made these own body paints. And I used on her face. I made this blue right here. That's what I use on her face. And I also use two kinds of glitter, which we have the pink and the blue. And I also use eyeshadow for the blue as well, just to make it pop out more. And same theme, black eyeshadow. And then I add some blush, pink blush on her nose, and I added some glitter with it. And then to make, instead of using glue, here's a secret. I use some of this right here, and I put a little bit, not too much of it, on her nose, and then where you see the blue in her eyebrows to make it stick on. And it really works with the glitter. And then here's also some eyeshadows that I use. And here are the blush that I use. I use this pink one on her nose and also on me. So yeah, there we go. I almost forgot the body paint. The hairspray that we use, hair dye. Look at this.
So basically you just spray a little bit right here. As you can see, I did a little bit too much, so it looks like I actually am bleeding. So we want to do a little bit here. And she did a little bit on hers.
I missed my pink hair, so this will work for now. And yeah, and still got the brush. I usually use any kind of brushes, the ones that are for painting. I don't want to ruin my good brushes that I use for glam makeup, so I go and use these right here that are for painting, and they're really washable. So yeah.
So check out her channel. Her channel has a list of a bunch of FX makeup. You've got beauty makeup, glam makeup, you got woo makeup. Now we're going to talk about a little bit more stuff that she used to get her look.
For my look, I pretty much use this shadow, which is blush. I use also pink. And then a little bit of body paint, which was
Bear with her, she's looking for it at the moment. A little touch up on her makeup.
Oh, found it! So I use a little bit of this pink right here, and I mix it with this a little bit with blush to make it more. And then I use a little bit of white for the teeth, and then right here, and also for her. And then black is actually the one that I made right here. We did those for the.
So if you're interested in learning how to make your own makeup, also check her channel. She shows all about how she makes them.
Yep, that's what we pretty much use to make those look.
Yeah. So, we want a chocolate now? I think we want a chocolate now, right? And then soon we're gonna go and get a pizza from the store because I don't cook. I make my own pizza.
I love pizza.
But this time we're gonna actually go buy one. Now they're all painted up and ready to go. So here's some chocolate that we gained through the walking. And then we have another big bowl over there that we're gonna pig out on.
Did we just hear pig out?
Pig out, chocolate wasted? Yeah, we're gonna get chocolate wasted as always.
Dun, 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 dun.
Chocolate! Woo! interested in getting these you're interested in some crazy makeup, Halloween makeup, glam makeup, go ahead and check out her channel. All the information in the description. Go ahead and subscribe to her right here. And her name is Unique FX Makeup. Check her out on YouTube. Happy Halloween!